My name is Vishnu Shankar and I am a student of PGD ISM 13 batch of NITI Mumbai.
Hello everyone, my name is Shivam Rawal and I am from PGD ISM batch.
So today in this video tutorial we'll be talking about two things in human resource management, which are recruitment and selection. So regarding recruitment, Shivam will take you through.
And I believe most of you think that recruitment and selection are one the same thing, but there's a lot of difference between recruitment and the selection. See, recruitment is just acquiring the right talent. Okay, so the main goal of recruitment process is to hunt for the talented pool. So it's a two-way process. The organization want that talented pool in the organization, as well as the employer searching for the opportunities to go into the organization. So about the process, the vacancy is generated. The HR functions that are into the recruiting process. The HR deals with the job requirements, work ex requirements, the qualifications, the nature of the job, how much to pay, from where to acquire. So generally there are two sources from where the recruitment process can be done. See, these are internal sources and external sources. Internal sources are within the organization. From within the organization, it means that appraisal or maybe promoting someone. So there are pros and cons of both the system. When you are doing internal recruitment process, the employee, there's a faith that is generated in the employees towards the organization, but then you don't get a fresh blood into the organization. When you are doing the external recruitment process, there is new talent, new blood that comes into the organization, but then the cost goes high. So it is the HR who has to decide which form of recruitment process should he take. And these days also we are seeing that new recruitment process are coming up, like online recruitment process, where candidates are uploading their CVs online and recruitment process is done through that. Now we'll see, you have seen the recruitment process. Now we'll see how selection process goes on.
All about answering one simple question, which is to hire somebody or not to hire somebody. When there is a vacancy in a firm, we have to find the right candidate to fill that position, and this is what happens in selection. We do it in three ways. There are three criteria by which we actually decide whether somebody is suitable for that position or not. It's his formal education for one, two, it's his work experience, and three, his personality characteristics. Now there are again three common methods, which are testing, gathering information, and interviewing. In testing, we basically test the knowledge, the ability, the skill set of the person, and then we match it with the requirements of the firm and then decide whether he is suitable or not. And second is gathering information, which is mainly done by asking the applicant to fill in application forms, his resume, the reference letters that we ask from him or we get from him, and also from his biographical data. And the third and the most common method of doing it is interviewing somebody. In an interview, the applicant is made to answer questions that are posed by the panel, and these questions cover different areas like education, his former job, his experience, and his knowledge regarding the job that he is applying for, his mental ability, personality, and also his social skills. So this way, whoever is responsible to decide whether an applicant is suitable for a position is better equipped to make the right decision. This is all about selection.
So we just hope that you gather the insight about the selection process, the recruitment process. I hope it would help you in understanding this human resource concept. Thank you so much for listening.
Thank you.